How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. So share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can design a Luminous Interstellar model in Catia v5. What you see here is the model in the Catia environment. I'm just going to show you a few renders. So these are the different renders, and without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Welcome to the next part of the video. In this video we're going to continue with our Interstellar model, and the next step will be to select this plane here and go for the sketch, and here I'll just flip this one more time. Now create a line like this, select this point, click on this point, select this point, click on this point here, go for coincidence. Alright, select this arc and this arc here and project it and make it dotted. And what you can do is use the constraint, just select this point and this point here, go for allow symmetry line and select this line here. Repeat the step 1, 2, right click, allow symmetry line, select this line. Alright, that's good. Now exit the sketch, go for the split, go for the surface and this line, click on OK. Now that's split. Now again, come to the top plane, XY plane, go for the sketch, and in here you gotta select this arc and this arc, project it, make it dotted, just remove all the backgrounds and draw two lines, 1 and 2. Select this line as not dotted line, and again repeat the steps. First point, second point, allow symmetry line, this line. First point, second point, first point. Okay, I'll repeat it. First point, second point, allow symmetry line, take this line. Alright, now that's done. I'm going to exit sketch, and you can select this. Being the sketch selected, you can go for project and project it to the support, not near a solution, normal, click on OK and just hide this and select this, go for split, select this newly created one, click on OK. Now we have this much created. Now what you can do is you can remove all of this geometry, not that. You can remove all of these sketches, project, so that we don't have a lot of planes and all that. Right, let's make it confusion free. Okay, we don't have anything. Right, now just join these surfaces. Right, now we're gonna go to the part modeling. We're gonna give some thickness for this. Insert surface based and go for thick surface. Okay, select that surface and give a thickness for the surface. So you're gonna give 3 mm thickness upwards. Now we have that thick surface created, and you can go ahead and hide that surface which helped us to create the thick surface. And we're going to create some fillets for this. So what you can do is you can select the down parts of it and go for fillet. Maybe fillet it for 2 mm. That part is filleted. Now you gotta select the surfaces here and go for shell, and you gotta give a shell of 1.5. Oops, man, I'll just do that. Okay, 1.5. It's good that the selection was intact. Okay, now that's done. And now select these edges. So we're just preparing our repeating model. So just I don't go for 0.75 maybe, so we have a very smooth surface. Wow, now that's done. Alright, now we'll see the remaining part of the video in the next videos. Thank you and stay tuned.